Hi, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. This is a new item we have, and this is basically sandwich set. Sandwich set. Now this is really cool. This is basically Velcro and felt, and they designed it in, now this is going to be a demo. I won't say that again. All right, so we got to open up this demo kit here. Oh, I'm sorry, I wanted to say that again. My millennial son's having a heart attack. All right, and so what you have to do is you have to cut all this open so that you can get out all this felt stuff to make your sandwiches. Now this is similar to the other item that we demoed, which is the sandwich kit. All this can be used in that kit too because it's all going to be felt. But this is really cool because everything is made of felt. All right, you've got your what do you think these are? Pickles. You've got what's that? Cheese? No, ham. Tomatoes. That's a cookie. Oh, there's a piece of cheese. So you're just kind of building a sandwich. Okay, so we're just gonna put a little bit of cheese there. Let's put a lot of cheese, and then we're gonna put whatever that is. We're gonna put some of that. Oh, here's some meat. We're gonna put some meat on that. We're gonna put some meat there. Lettuce. We're gonna get some lettuce on there. And then we're gonna put the other sandwich bun on there. Now we got our sandwich, and then we can just chomp. Yes. Okay. Now we're gonna do a double sandwich. Then we could stick more on it like this. Oh, we got onions. Let's get some onions, more onions on that, and then get the other side of the hamburger. Put that there, and then we're gonna get some more hamburger and oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, egg. We're going to put some egg on the sandwich, and then we're just going to make a huge, this is a big triple burger. We're going to eat that big triple sandwich. Oh, I'm so tired. This looks so good. I want to make one of these in real life. These are all the different pieces that you get. You get the cheese, you get the lettuce, you get your ham. Now that's the bread. Different size. And then if you want to make a pita, you can make a pita sandwich by just stuffing everything in there. Okay, so we got your cheese, your tomatoes. That looks like a cookie. Okay, and then you got here's your cheese. There's some more cheese. What do you think purple is?
Onions?
Purple is onions?
Maybe, or...
That is onions right there. Okay, there's the bread. Pink, that's got to be ham. That's probably turkey. And these are pickles, different type of pickles. What is white?
Oh, relish? Maybe purple's relish.
Relish, that's right. Okay, mustard and ketchup. Oh, okay, that's probably ketchup and mayonnaise. Oh, yeah, that's right. Here's mustard. Okay, mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise. Okay, and these are all your pickles. That's your lettuce, different type of lettuce. There's your bacon. Okay, that's what the bacon looks like. So you get all of this inside your sandwich set. Felt food sandwich set. 33 mix and match pizzas. Create custom sandwiches for every taste. Okay, what are you doing? I had this all laid out.
Not even close. They were stacked up.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Stacked up.
I said don't do that.
Stacked up.
Don't do that. Now I wonder what purple is.
Relish.
You think purple is relish?
Look it up.
It's going to tell us right here. Peanut butter and jelly. So you didn't know that. That's peanut butter and jelly right there, okay? All right, what is this? American cheese, provolone cheese. That's provolone cheese. And then, oh, this is turkey. This is roast beef. Oh, this is salami. That's salami, okay? Bologna is right here. And that's ham. Okay, turkey, we already got turkey. Bacon, that's the bacon. And then the egg, I like the egg. And then leaf lettuce, onions, tomatoes, pickles, and cucumbers. So these are the pickles, these are the cucumbers. So this is everything for the sandwich set, okay? And they show you all the different items on the back of the box. You can make either a pita sandwich or a regular bun sandwich. So there's three types of sandwiches you can make. You can make this kind of sandwich, like, just a bun sandwich.
Like a grinder?
A grinder, yeah, that's right. I told you that, grinder. Okay, so You don't want to make a peanut butter and jelly grinder. That would be gross. But you might want to make a ham. We got ham, roast beef, salami.
Cookie.
Put a little bit of pickles in there. Some watermelon or some mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise, everything. Well, let's put an egg in there and some cheese and some tomatoes. And then we'll add it with some lettuce. We'll put a little bit of lettuce here. Now that's how Mark would like to eat it, like that. And he would eat it in probably 2 seconds. I told you, no headsets when you're outside. Okay, so this is basically the sandwich set, and this is item number, what is the item number? 3954, 3954, and this is available at ProTinkerToys, and there's like 3 different versions of this. This is just one of them that we're going to show you. At ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button, and give us a thumbs up.